Hi guys, I got a great summer side here, a classic coleslaw. Easy breezy, simple, let's do it. I could have grated everything as you could too if you want to do it, but I'm not. So here we go. This was the inspiration when I saw a classic coleslaw, that's what we're doing. It's already pre-cut, pre-mixed, and it's wonderful. If you want to embellish it, you can add to it. You could do what you do. This is it for me. This is plenty. And actually, to be honest, I just gave away my, I don't like the big ones, my food processor. I had it for many years. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. Now that I'm on this cooking with the cooking show here, I don't have a food processor. So, poor me. All right, I think the biggies are out there. I saw them sticking out to me. I don't like that. Okay. Simple. Do whatever mixture you do. Grate it yourself. Get this. They have some that also have the red cabbage. Whatever you like, get. And it's the 1 pound bag. What goes with this is a cup of mayonnaise. Just regular Hellmann's mayonnaise, 1 cup. Okay. I tell you, the minute I make my first salad, it feels officially like summer for me. It's beautiful today. It's Sunday, Cinco de Mayo. It's warm here in Florida. Finally, I mean, it was a long start to get here. Okay, this is 1 half grated onion, and grate it and keep all its juices. I have to confess, I didn't never know that onion goes in it until I realized with the recipe that it's grated. You don't know what's in there. Okay, 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Okay. This will give it a nice tang. This is where the tang comes from. And the sweet and savory to balance it is the sugar. So it's 3 tablespoons of that. 2 teaspoons of white sugar. Okay. A tablespoon of white wine vinegar. Okay. Let's pour this gently. Okay. Tablespoon of white wine vinegar. Then we're going to do, because I think my onion was slight. I'm not sure, but I think it was. So I'm going to add, along with the other ingredients, a teaspoon of salt it calls for. You know I use my kosher. I'm going to eyeball a teaspoon here. Okay. That should do that. I'm going to add a little Dijon. The recipe called for dry, and I don't have any. I got to get to it. Every time I go to the supermarket, I keep forgetting. But I do love the tang and taste of Dijon, so I'm going to do my own little thing here and add that because I love it in all my salads. I do. Okay, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed the portobello mushroom stuffed. Oh my God, what a keeper. Delish. That was a super beautiful, classy, want to impress your dinner guest recipe. I can't wait to make that for company. White pepper. You can use black. They use white because you don't see it. Okay? Little teaspoon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper. And like I said, I think that my onion was a little bit slight. So what I'm going to do is add a little extra onion powder. Oh, look, this is brand new. Get to see me open one on camera. Wow. Alrighty. Fresh. And this is an Aldi thing, guys. This was 99 cents. Delish. Okay, spices are getting up there in price. Very pricey. All right, that should do it. And all we have to do here is mix. If you need more mayo, or if you want to add a little, I see people add milk and all. I don't know that I would do that, but I might. You don't know. I might want a little bit more vinegar. Taste it as you go. Okay, I haven't made it in quite some time. I really haven't. Matter of fact, I think I want to get a spoon to mix it better. And I honestly think I'm going to put a dash of milk. I am. And I'll tell you why. It's a little too pasty feeling. See, this is like that night we did the too little of milk or something and I had to modify. Watch, my refrigerator juice fell over. And I had to modify. This is the point of real cooking. as you taste and go along and see what you like. I'm going to put a little bit. That's it. Just to help her out because I don't know of any coleslaw that's pasty. Okay. Another good idea, I think I'm going to do next time. I just see these things come to me while I'm in the act of cooking the dish. I happen to love KFC's coleslaw. There's so many copycats out there. I haven't tried any, but I'm curious. But what I love most about KFC coleslaw is the chop. See, I like it more, the fine chop that they do. I enjoy that more than this classic cut, so to speak. Okay. See? I think I'm gonna a little bit more. It's not moist enough for me. Okay. And then mix it around good. Then I'll taste it and see what it needs. But now, seeing this and mixing this, what do you think we want? I want some KFC crispy fried chicken to go with this coleslaw. Vinny's going to have it for lunch with a sandwich, but, you know, I would really prefer some crispy fried chicken. So a little bit more moist. And it's going to dry out in the fridge a little bit. So, you know, if you want to do like me and add that little bit of milk, see the consistency? I think it's where it should be now. Now it feels like a coleslaw. Looks like a coleslaw. Let's see if it tastes like a coleslaw. Okay. I always get these big bites. I gotta stop that. Got enough salt. It's got enough sugar. I taste the onion. You know what I'm gonna say? A little bit more pepper, and I'm gonna use black. A little bit more pepper. And one more thing. I'm going to put a dot more vinegar because it's not enough tang. Even with the mustard and whatever have you. It could use a little bit more. And see, I went down to a teaspoon. Let's add 1 more teaspoon of white wine vinegar. And then I would say that's a perfect wrap. It had enough salt. It has enough of the other components. It just needed a little bit more of that tangy vinegar, or if you wanted mustard. Okay, and that's all she wrote. Okay, it looks good. And I'm telling you, that bag of coleslaw was Aldi, or Spices. This was very economical to make. It's a classic. It goes with all sandwiches, all barbecue meats, anything you want. It's a great thing to have in your recipe box, and you should know how to make it yourself. Even if you buy the pre-made bag, you still need to know the correct measurements to your liking. And give it one more taste. Good to go, guys. Love it. Make it. And if you like me and my recipes, hit that subscribe button for more. See you in the next video.